Today, we're on Merritt Island in Florida, about to go fishing on the Banana River. This family fishing trip is a Christmas gift from our grandpa. So we are heading out with Captain Jimmy from Castaway Adventures. The Banana River used to be a lagoon, and it's only 6 feet deep in many places, but it's a great place to catch a variety of different species, as well as to enjoy some fun water recreation. Unless you're that guy.
How many fish do you think we're going to catch today?
20 to 25.
20, 25. And how many do you think we're going to keep?
8.
Let's see. Shane, what do you think? How many do you think we're going to get?
30.
How many do you think we can keep?
10.
Captain Jimmy brought us to a great fishing hole that even the Dolphins like.
Oh, Shane, what you got? What you got? Ooh, you got a fighter! Come on, Shane. Keep the tip up. You want to go like this? Make sure you keep this tension on there. Yep, put it in your belly. Oh, Levi, you got one too!
Muscle him in there, Shane. It's got off.
That's all right. We'll do it again.
Holy cow, Shane. You fished all afternoon yesterday, and now you got one already.
You're the first one. I tell you, he's the fisherman. Good fisherman of the family.
Dolphins coming for it. You better hurry it up. Keep real. We're going to pull him this way a little bit. There you go. You got a good fish, buddy. Big redfish.
You got a redfish and we can't eat it. Oh, wow.
Oh, man. Good job.
Wow, Shane, look at that. Whoa. Within the first 30 seconds, Shane. What do you got, Levi? Good job, Shane.
You real, buddy. You got him.
That's something. Yep. That's okay.
Reel yours in.
Something down there. What is it, Levi?
Ooh. Jack Cavell. Whoa, buddy.
These things fight hard.
Is that fun, Levi?
Yep, just grab them right here.
At this rate, we're gonna have
spikes right there. You see that?
That's a Jack Cavell. Nice job, Levi.
Nice.
Stop for just a second.
Ooh, something out there. There's a dolphin over there.
Now, like I said, I've had it happen twice where
Oh.
dolphins come up and grab them off the line, but
Don't do it. Oh, Daddy, you got one.
he ain't very big.
Still fun though. Yeah, little sheephead. Good job, say hey, what do you got? Real. Oh, what's this?
Oh, the right line.
Mango snapper.
Good job.
Ooh, is it? It's probably not big enough, but that's okay. Move to the side.
Hold up. Don't let him get over there.
Ooh.
It's time to check out our new fishing spot. Apparently, the Dolphins like this spot too. If you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe.
Oh, fucker.
So one of those that blow up, Selah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we blow it up and show you?
Puff up on the bone. There you go. You want to hold it? Here, I'll puff them up a little bit more.
What do you think about that? Ooh, it's a big one, huh?
Like a balloon.
You think he'll float if you throw him in the water? Let's see if he'll float. We throw him in?
Wait, I want to throw in.
Oh, he went right down.
What do you got, Selah?
Yeah, another.
Okay.
No, she keeps catching that.
What'd you get, Shane?
Catfish, guys.
Wow, Sayla?
Yeah, catfish. That's cat.
No way.
Cat's better than some grown-ups that I have on here.
I got like big nibbles. Basically. Like, yeah, I took a lot of my bait.
Oh. Good Sayla.
Want to hold it? Just keep it away from your body, okay?
It's a catfish.
Never got that. A stingray. What in the world? Two stingrays.
It's been a great day fishing. We caught jack crevalle, stingray, redfish, sheep's head, puffer, mangrove snapper, catfish, trout, black drum, and whiting. What fish would you like to catch? Let us know and comment below. And if you enjoyed this fishing video, check out another one on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.